Hello and welcome to Swahili Talk Lab, a place where you learn practical Swahili for everyday life. I am your presenter, Mwalimu Grace. Karibu. Darasa la pili, Lesson 2. Salamu za Kiswahili. Swahili greetings. In the Swahili culture, greeting others is very important. It shows respect and kindness. And people usually greet each other to show they care. And they often ask how you're doing and also how your family is also doing. If you fail to greet someone, it can be assumed to be rude. That's why in the Swahili-speaking community, learning to greet people properly helps you make good friends as well as fit in better. So, welcome to today's class as we learn of a few of the greetings that are proper. The first greeting we are going to learn about is Jambo. Jambo, which basically means hello. And within this context, the answer will be another Jambo. Jambo is a general greeting commonly used in the tourism sector or by foreigners who come to visit. It is a simple greeting that says hello. But for the locals and the native Swahili speakers, for it to sound grammatically correct, we add a prefix and it becomes Hujambo. Hujambo. This is when you're greeting one person and they will answer back Sijambo. When you are greeting more than one person, a group of people, you would ask them Hujambo, Hujambo, and the answer will be Hatujambo. The next greeting, which is commonly used in the Swahili-speaking areas, is Habari. Habari, which if literally translated is asking what are the news? And the answer is usually Nzuri. Nzuri. But when used as a greeting, it is understood to mean how are you or how are things. Habari is a very versatile greeting and it takes many shapes and forms. The first format we are going to learn is where you ask someone, when you are addressing one individual, you ask them habari yako. Habari yako. This is a greeting directed to one person and they would answer back Nzuri. When you are greeting a group, you would say habari zenu. Habari zenu. And they would answer back Nzuri. The other format is where we find habari being time sensitive. So, in the morning, when you meet someone, you would ask them, habari ya asubuhi? Repeat after me, habari ya asubuhi. Asubuhi means morning, and therefore, this means good morning. When you meet someone during the afternoon, you would ask them, habari ya alasiri. Habari ya alasiri. Alasiri means afternoon, and therefore this means good afternoon. If you meet someone in the evening, you would ask them, Habari ya jioni. Repeat after me. Habari ya jioni. And that would mean good evening. Or you would wish someone at the end of the day, usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Usiku means night. Mwema means good. Therefore, that means good night. The next greeting is pronounced as Shikamoo. Shikamoo. And the answer will be Marahaba. Marahaba. Shikamoo is a respectful greeting used to greet elders or used by students to greet their teachers, or when you are addressing a person of higher authority. It can be loosely translated as, I respect you. It shows humility and cultural politeness. Therefore, Shikamoo is a respectful greeting. And the answer will be Marahaba. On the other side, we can find casual greetings. Casual greetings are used by peers of the same age in an informal settings. And these greetings vary from community to community, from country to country. So if you're in Nairobi, you will hear people ask Mambo or Vipi or Niaje. All this is meant to mean what's up. And the answer will most definitely be Poa, which means cool. In this lesson, we have learned different types of greetings, how to use them, when to use them, and we have also learned that greetings are intricately connected to the Swahili culture, that they help in setting the mood of the conversation. In the next lesson, we shall learn how to introduce ourselves properly in the Swahili language. Therefore, I hope to see you in the next lesson, and karibu. If you enjoyed our lesson and would like further lessons in this series, do like and follow our channel for more lessons which drop every week. And you can also find us on www.patreon.com/Swahili Talk Club for further worksheets and practice exercises and many more lessons. Therefore, kwaheri. Goodbye.